sites. They're very nice. Big. There's this really nice clubhouse, which I suppose you could rent or have parties in. And there's 4 sites along this road. You see the electrical. They're $10 a night just to be hooked up to electric on this side road. And look at the beautiful backdrop you have. Looks very different from the Google Maps aerial view. I've been very happy here. It's $15 a night for full hookups. Way over there is the rec center. That's where you check in, that's where you can rent stuff. First impressions of this park are wonderful. It's open, it's spacious, it's very beautiful and not very crowded, but there is a dark side. We quickly discovered the dark side of this park. These little pokers that get stuck in everything. Could you imagine getting one of those stuck in your little paw? Poor Daisy. Daisy's learned not to walk in the grass. She's like, no way, man. I decided to try this area by the rec center. There's some trees and picnic tables, and there's a frisbee golf area. And I thought maybe it'll be different over here. And it was. We walked this whole area for like an hour, and not one poker in the foot. Today is a great day for us to go to the museum. Let's check it out. This is a beautiful little museum, and if you're interested in knowing how it's funded, here's a plaque that explains it. You can pause and read it if you'd like. Otherwise, let's go inside and check it out. Interesting story. A real Sheldon story. A 7-year-old kid helped build the rockets. It's a cool story if you get a chance to Google it. Very neat. It's him as a kid, and there he is as an adult. He died in 2015, but what a neat story. This museum goes into the history of all the different wars in the land, in the countries, Germany, missiles, atomic bombs. It just covers about everything related to White Sands. Now we're gonna see what's going on over here. This is the cool stuff. There's Hermes. This is the electro-optical tracking system, similar to the one we saw inside. Grandma's attic for missiles and stuff. This is an MK39. Okay, so it says US Navy, so I'm assuming this was attached to a ship. They are the best that they know how. This is something I never heard of before. A drone anti-submarine helicopter. Wow. What will they think of next? Let's see what's in here. Big boy, this building is just for the missile. Oh, this is the V2 rocket. Check it out. It's special. Look at that. That was absolutely awesome. Well, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The winds have picked up. It was beautiful and calm most of the day, but in the afternoons, something about the temperature changes, I guess, create crazy wind. Over and out. We were gonna do some bowling on base, base bowling. Three in a row. Almost 5. Apparently, repeated strikes caused the bowling alley to break. The mechanic had to be called in. Oh my God! What the heck?
Almost a perfect game.
Oh my gosh. Holy moly.
Way to finish it.
4 strikes in a row again. Who are you? That was a lot of fun. David was amazing. 2 games, 2 separate games.
You were amazing.
You got turkeys and then some. I love the patriotic theme at this bowling alley. That was cool. I love those things. Daisy, you're such a good girl. Tomorrow we leave for Carlsbad Cavern.